Hello students, I am Ami Patel, lecturer in Computer Department in VPMP Polytechnic, Gandhinagar. This video is for students of third semester. Today, I am covering topic of data structure and its types from Unit 1, Introduction to Data Structure of Subject Data Structure, and subject code is 3330704. Objective: after this video, students could be able to know about what is data and information, introduction of data structure, types of data structure, primitive data structure, and non-primitive data structure. Now start our session. First of all, introduction of data. Now, what is data? Data means raw facts and it does not have any meaning. For example, any number like 10, 67, 78.9, ABC, these all numbers have no meaning. So, it is called data. Now, next term is information. When any meaning is assigned to data, it becomes information. In short, meaningful data is called information. Any process data is also known as information. For example, total number of marks, enrollment number, roll number, student name. These all have some meaning. So it is called information. Next, storage representation of data. Data is stored in computer like memory, in RAM or ROM. Cell is a memory location which is used to store elements of data items. Cell stores 8-bit value. Now, this is the diagram of storage representation of data. It contains a various number of cells. For example, we consider that it starts from 0 and end with 255. So, it store 256 number of data. Each and every location is called cell. This is cell. Next. Now, start with basic concepts of data structure. Data structure is a way to store and organize data in a computer so that whenever we need, it can be used efficiently. In short, logical relation among the data items is called data structure. It specifies logical relations between data items, not physical. The logical or mathematical model of a data organization is called data structure. For organizing data, we can use different mathematical model. DS is used in everywhere like all programs, software systems, etc. The main goal of data structure is to get the data easily when we want the data. Data structure is a combination of data and algorithm. Algorithm means logical arrangement of data. Data structures are used in various areas like compiler design, in operating system, graphics representation, database management system, artificial intelligence, simulations, etc. Now next topic is types of data structure. This is a diagram of data structure. Data structure is divided into two main data structure. First one is primitive data structure and second one is non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure means it directly proceed by machine using its instruction. So it is called primitive. And non-primitive data structure, it is not directly proceed by machine. Primitive data structure is divided into 5 categories, 5 types. First one is integer, float, character, logical, and pointer data structure. This all category is just like the data types of any language. Now, second main category of data structure is non-primitive data structure. It is again divided into two parts, linear data structure and non-linear data structure. Linear means all the data items are stored sequentially in linear method. And non-linear data structure means data items are not stored sequentially. Linear data structure again divided into 4 categories like array, stack, queue, and linked list. Non-linear data structure is divided into main 2 categories, tree and graph. Now start with primitive data structure. The data structure that are directly proceed by machine means it is processed by machine using its inbuilt instructions are known as primitive data structure and it is completely handled by machine. Integer. Now first data structure is, primitive data structure is integer. Integer represents numerical values, number values. It can be plus or minus. For example, number of students in a class, marks, student marks. The integer number is represented as sign magnitude method and one's complement of method. Now next is real data structure. Real means the data with a floating point. The number having fractional part is called real number. For example, 123.45. It is also stored in scientific format. Next data structure is character. It is used to store non-numeric information. It can be letters, capital letters from capital A to capital Z, small a to small z, digits, and special symbols. A character is represented in memory as a sequence bits, and sequence of character is called string. Two most commonly known character set supported by computer are ASCII and ABCDIC. Next type is logical. It is a primitive data structure that can assume main two value, either true or false. It is just like a Boolean data type. Now next is pointer. Pointer is a one type of variable which store the address of another variable. Variable generally store the value, but pointer variable store the address, but this address is the address of another variable, and it provides faster insertion and deletion of elements. Now, next type of data structure is non-primitive data structure. First of all, definition of non-primitive data structure. The data structure that are not directly processed by machine using its instructions are known as non-primitive data structure. In short, this data structure is not handled by machine, but it is created by user. The non-primitive data structure is classified into two categories. First one is linear data structure and second one is non-linear data structure. Now start with first category, linear data structure. First of all, definition of linear data structure. In this data structure, logical relation among the data item is linear. Means data is stored sequentially in memory location. That means stored one by one. Example of linear data structure are array, stack, queue, and linked list. Now start from first example of linear data structure, means array. Array is a collection of data of same data type known by same name. It is a set of fixed number of items. Array is an ordered set which consists of a fixed number of objects. In array, insert and delete operation are time consuming. It takes more time, but searching and sorting operation are fast. Next type is stack. A stack is a one type of linear list in which insert and delete operation are performed at only one end of the list. It is also known as LIFO data structure. LIFO means last in, first out. Now, let's see this object with diagram. This is a linear list which is open at one end and closed at another end. Whenever, for example, assume this list is empty, means there is no elements in this list. Now, first 10 is come, then it insert from this open end and store at last location, means this location. After that, for example, 20 is come, then it store above 10. So they store in this location. After that, 30 is come, then it store above 20. After that, 40 is come, then it store above 30. And then 40 come, 50. Okay. Now, top element is represented by one pointer variable, which is called top, T-O-P, top of pointer. Now, if we perform delete operation, means remove any element from the stack, then last element is removed first. So here last element is 50. So it is removed from stack. Then 40 is removed from stack. After that, 30 becomes the top element. So it is removed. After 30, 20 is removed, and at last 10 is removed from the stack. So here insert at deletion operation is performed at only one end. So it is called stack. And in this operation is performed in LIFO manner. Next is queue data structure. A queue is a queue data structure. A queue is a linear list in which insert operation is performed at one end and delete operation is performed at another end. Insert operation is performed at one end, which is called rear, and delete operation is performed at another end, which is called front. This is the definition of queue data structure. Now it is called FIFO, first in, first out. Let's see queue data structure with diagram. This is a queue. Now here for insertion, one end is open, and for deletion, another end is open. In insert operation is performed at this end, and it is called rear end. The end which delete operation is performed is called front end. Here, suppose for example, one element is come and it is inserted in queue, then it's stored from this, and after that second element is come, then it's stored after first element, and then third element, then it is stored after second element. Now this structure is same as queue in real life. Now for deletion purpose, first element which is inserted is removed first. So this is follow FIFO, first in, first out. First insert is first deleted. Next data structure is linked list. A linked list is a linear list which contains collection of nodes. Each node has two fields, information field and second address field, which contains the address of next node. Now this is the diagram of linked list. This is called node. Here three nodes are there. In information field, data is stored like 1, 2 and 3. Second part is address part. For this node, this is the address part. For this second node, this is the address part. And for third node, this is the address part. This is the last node. So in address part, there is no address, no data. So it is represented by null. Now here, in address part of first node, it contains the address of this node. Now in this address part, it contains the address of next node, means this node. And this structure, rectangle structure, is called node. Next is a second category of non-primitive data structure, which is a non-linear data structure. In this, logical relation among the data item is not linear. So data is not stored sequentially, means one by one. Example of non-linear data structures are tree and graph. Now start from tree data structure. Tree consists of nodes connected by edges. Nodes represent data items. Here, node represented by circle or square. In tree data structure, it contains hierarchical relationship, means one data after that second data. Now, this is the example of tree data structure. Here, this is the node. Four node is there, first, second, third, fourth. This is the root node, means it is a first node. After this node, three child node is there, means this node contains three nodes. And this node is connected by edges, means this line, and this line. In this example, VPMP is a root node which contains three branches, CE, ME, electrical. And these four nodes is connected by edges. Like VPMP is connected to computer CE, VPMP is connected to mechanical, VPMP is connected to electrical. So when we store in hierarchical relationship to store data, then tree data structure is used. Now next is graph. This data structure contains relationship between pairs of elements. Graphs have many types like directed graph. In directed graph, edges show direction. Undirected graph, edges do not show any direction. Mixed graph means some edges show direction and some edges do not have any direction. Weighted graph, edges have a sign of weight. Now, this diagram shows the graph data structure. Here, 4 cities connected, and this graph shows the number of flights from different city at particular time. For example, from Delhi, 2 flights are there, one for Bombay and one for Kolkata. Same way, at particular time, from Bombay, 2 flights are there, one for Delhi and second for Madras. Now, when we use this type of data structure to store data, then it is called graph data structure. Thank you.